In this video, we're going to be looking at AI video generation and the fact that it's probably going to replace the TV advertising industry very, very soon. Now, I don't know much about video, to be honest with you. I'm not really a video expert. I know that I have a YouTube channel, but like, come on, like, I'm not a video expert at all. Now, what we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be looking at a few examples that Kling AI have on their website. It's klingai.com. This isn't a sponsored video or anything like that, but let's have a little look at their latest updates. So Kling AI latest updates. This is pretty cool, actually. We should probably do this with Harbor. Hi there, we're excited to share a new Kling AI update with you. Kling AI, generate faster, perform better. What's new? The new Kling 1.5 model supports generating 1080p HD videos in professional mode with no change in price. Image to video now supports motion brush feature, allowing you to design motion paths for elements, people, objects, etc. I don't even know what that means in the image. AI videos supports, image to video is pretty cool though. AI videos supports simultaneous generation of 4 videos, making it faster and more convenient. Image to video supports a 10-second duration with end frames available in standard mode. AI images supports resolution enhancement. Kling AI guide is launched, okay? So I'm just going to press I got it here, and then we're going to have a look at some of these examples. Now, this is the first one that we're going to look at is really, really cool because, in my opinion, this is a perfect example of what the title of this video is saying, that AI have just replaced the advertising industry, which personally I think is hilarious. I think it's hilarious until, AI comes for my job, and then I probably won't be laughing anymore. But let's have a little look here. So I'm just going to press play. So let's just quickly read the prompt. So created by whatever, disguised as a burger ad, the Kling advertisement uses unique creativity to showcase Kling for advertisers. That might not be the prompt actually thinking about it. That might just be a description. Let's have a little look.
Hunger. It's a spirit of adventure that never gets old. It's the desire to win.
So I think it's really cool. You can kind of tell it's AI generated. I think most people would agree that you can kind of tell it's AI generated. But I mean, if you were, 50 years old, 70 years old, or, whatever, you might not be able to notice the difference, to be honest with you. And what they've done is they've just put clips together with a voiceover, and they've effectively recreated what would have been, $1 million ad, $100,000 ad, whatever, to produce, because this kind of thing would be pretty expensive to produce, as far as I know.
Can never get enough. If you're never then eat a Kling burger. A super burger that fights hunger with ease.
这是什么鬼？这样的广告会有人想吃吗？我要那种展现汉堡食材的国际化的广告。
I feel like we're breaking the fourth wall here. This is kind of freaking me out a little bit. I don't know what's going on, but.
좋은 버거가 되려면 무엇이 필요할까요? 매우 신선하고 맛있는 소고기 눈물이 날 정도로 부드러운 계란, 갓 재배한 야채와 토마토, 이 모든 것이 모여 좋은
Kind of makes you want to eat the
버거를
burger though, like. Oh, that is
이것이
horrifying.
바로 클링 버거입니다.
I mean, that's pretty good.
这是什么恶心玩意儿？我要一个个性化的、大声歌颂汉堡的。
我有一个汉堡，我对它很好，
I think this kind of style is actually better for AI video because it's harder to kind of tell that it's AI generated because it's like cartoony, I would say. On, dude. I mean, if you think about it, this is the kind of thing that advertisers use, right? To generate buzz, to generate virality. Some kind of weird, cartoon video like this would probably go viral, which is kind of what you want as an advertiser. So as people say, there's no there's no such thing as bad publicity, right? So if you go viral for having a bad advert or like a weird advert, you're still going viral and people are still hearing about Kling Burger or whatever. So it might seem weird, but like this is a perfectly good advert. Like you can imagine, like you've all seen those weird like game ads where, you know, like the fake mobile game adverts, they're actually really, really successful in advertising because they're so weird. So this is a similar sort of thing. Horrifying.
Kling AI, presenting creativity beyond imagination.
Okay.
What is on?
Well, that was horrifying. But yeah, very, very interesting. Let's have a look at a few more. So this is created by Moon. Light is the warmest poem in the human world. It gives us warmth, hope, and breathtaking beauty. Wow. Okay, so imagine that the last frame there, instead of saying, you know, by Moon, it said something like, you know, energy island, powering island, or whatever, electric island. So you can imagine this very easily as an advert for, you know, an electricity company, a lighting company, whatever it might be. This is something that you could imagine as an actual advert. Like, look how good this quality is. It's fantastic. It really, really is good. Like, just imagine that the last frame is just not AI generated and it's just, you know, a company saying, powering people's dreams, Energy Island, right? That would be a perfectly good advert made in 20 minutes using AI instead of, you know, paying millions of euros for a TV ad, right? And they'll be as effective as one another. That's kind of what I want to, what I'm trying to get at in this video.
You know, I do want to say something. We were just talking about prompt engineering being dead. I think that for filmmakers or anybody in that creative space, people who, the next people who can figure out how to prompt these kind of things, to do video, to really hone in their skills on AI video generation and how to get the fidelity and the realism and all these different things and compiling all these different tools together. That is.
Well, let's find out if you actually need to do prompt engineering. Let's do a free generation, because the whole like standard of whether an AI is good or not is whether you can just prompt something, you know, without any effort, and it still produces something good. So technically speaking, if this AI is as good as people expect it to be, if I write alien from alien riding a skateboard, it should work. Okay, so I have 66 credits here. Let's just quickly see what happens if I use the new model and I just say alien from alien riding a skateboard. Because I'm very curious to see if, and this is really cool, you can do mobile, you can do 1:1, 16:9, which is HD, obviously. Oh, that's pretty cool as well. You can have camera movement, negative prompt. Let's just generate here. Oh. Just for you guys, I'm going to subscribe quickly because I'm very curious to see this. Okay, so we just paid for Kling AI just because, you know, I'm that curious to see if this stuff actually works. So we'll go back on AI video and we'll do Kling 1.5 and we'll say alien from alien versus predator. I'll just add that. Shopping in a supermarket. Okay, and then we'll do 5 seconds. So you can see that people have just done a few generations and then they've basically clipped them together to make one video, right? So let's see if this actually works. This will be interesting because this is the whole thing that people say is a benchmark for AI. Can you just write anything without, adding really complicated prompts, specifying the lens, all that kind of crazy stuff? Can you just write a prompt, press go, and it will do a very, very good job? This is kind of the hallmark of a good AI. So we'll see what happens when this gets to 100%. Okay, guys, so let's have a little look at this. This is a 5-second clip. Again, I am not a videographer. I'm not a video maker. Aesthetics, things like that have never really been my strong point. But looking at this, first of all, this is not the alien from Alien versus Predator. There is a specific word for this, so maybe I should have used the official word. But, I mean, apart from the fact that this isn't the alien from Alien versus Predator, which is actually good because otherwise, you could have problems with copyright, etc., etc. But, I did want the alien from Alien versus Predator specifically. However, the actual quality of the video, to be honest with you, is pretty bang on. There's something a little bit messed up with the shopping cart, but even the guy walking by and looking at the alien is pretty perfect. Look at that. Wow. So the result is pretty good. Now, you can easily just chain these together, make an advert, and be like, I don't know, like how to stand out, or, how to fit in as an alien, or, whatever the advert would be about. But overall, I think this is a pretty good result. It cost me $3 to create an account here, and I would have another, I think, 20 generations. So it's about 15 cents per generation if my head maths is correct. Not bad. You can make an advert for less than $1, whereas before, it would have cost thousands of dollars. But yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about in this particular video. I think the quality is amazing. What do you think?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's not the alien from Alien vs. Predator, but... So yeah, I mean, we'll probably do some more videos on Kling AI if people are interested, or on Runway maybe as well. Overall, I think the quality is pretty damn good, but I'm going to have to leave it there. I do have to go. If you're watching all the way to the end of this video, you're an absolute legend, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out. You're going to want to watch this video if you are looking for a use case for the new AI that Google just released on Notebook LM.